This was the very first session of this year's Astana Think Tank Forum, which was about the importance of multilateralism. And to me, it's very important because, again, what's happening now globally, regionally, it's really, the discussion is all around about how it's really important that, to promote multilateralism. And in that context, you've seen and also you've heard from the speakers that the countries like Kazakhstan as the middle powers, more and more these countries are heavily engaged in promoting regional stability and also foster cooperation. Some speakers also referred to the multilateral institutions such as the United Nations, because United Nations was built after the Second World War to bring peace, to promote economic development, and also regional stability and cooperation. So, and after now 80 years, it's really like a good moment to reflect on what has been achieved and what lessons we learned and what type of UN we would like to see for next 80 years. So in that context, the first session about the multilateralism was very important, especially for us as United Nations, staff members, organizations, country-based or regional-based. It's a good moment of opportunity to revitalize the system and make it prepared for next 80 years.